How to install Grok Build on Windows. Recently, XAI released a terminal version of Grok that can run AI agents and build code straight from the command line. It's still in beta for now, so you may run into the occasional issue. To install it, head to the Grok Build website and copy the installation command. All the details are linked in the description below. You'll see two options, one for PowerShell and one for Windows Subsystem for Linux, or WSL. Make sure you pick the right one. The PowerShell option was only added recently, and they change the landing page all the time, so it may look a little different by the time you watch this. Then open PowerShell, paste the command, and press Enter to start the installation. Once it finishes, you can launch Grok Build by running either the Grok or the agent command. Let's try it out. Type Grok. It will ask for authorization. Approve it, then head back to the terminal window. As you can see, it works. Note that a Super Grok subscription is required to use it. How to fix installation errors. Installation is easy once you have all the pieces in place, but you may run into errors when you copy and run the installation command from the XAI website. First, make sure you've picked the right command for your setup, since the WSL process is slightly different. Next, make sure you're running the latest version of PowerShell. Windows 11 ships with an outdated version, so you may need to update it. To check which version is installed on your computer, type psversiontable.psversion into the command line. The full command is in the description. In my case, PowerShell 5 was installed, but the latest version is 7. To upgrade, copy the wingit install command from the Microsoft website and run it. Once it's done, relaunch PowerShell. You'll see the newer version is now active, and the update message has disappeared. Now, if we try to install Grok, we'll still hit an error. That's because WSL isn't installed yet, and Windows doesn't understand Linux commands like curl. Type the WSL install command to begin setting up the Windows subsystem for Linux. Wait for the installation to finish, then reboot your computer. Unfortunately, this is one step you can't skip. After rebooting, proceed with the installation using the same command as before. You'll see a new error. Now we need to install a Linux distribution. You can choose any option from the list, but I'll go with Ubuntu. Add Ubuntu to the installation command to start. After download, it will prompt you to create a password for your Linux account. Confirm the password and opt out of data collection. Now let's give Grok one more try. Copy the command, run it, and this time it installs without any errors. That's it. We've covered 2 ways to install Grok Build on Windows, including how to set up the missing Windows components along the way. If you found this video helpful, leave a comment, hit like, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.